What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. In today's video, I want to highlight Gamestop AMC versus EverGrow Coin. You're thinking, what in the heck? Well, let me show you guys. Let's get to it. Currently in the stock market, we're seeing a rout of high P ratios of companies who do not deliver. Now, this is a public service announcement to the folks currently in GameStop and AMC. The reason why I'm making this video is because I believe EverGrow Coin is a much better investment, and I want to show you guys why. But first, let's go ahead and show you guys the charts of GME and AMC, and then you will see why I am saying what I'm saying. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at AMC on a daily perspective. I have covered this many months ago when it was going to the moon. And ladies and gentlemen, I've been saying that AMC is not something you should be investing into. Is it a trade? Absolutely. It's a very worthwhile trade, but I believe that trade is up and a jig is up. So check it out, folks. We are testing the support of $20.39. This was the previous breakout point last year around May 27, 2021. It literally gapped up and it went to the moon. And then it held there for a little bit and it came back down. Well, simply put, people who traded options, they sold their contracts. People who went long, they sold. And then there were folks who were calling for AMC to go to $100. When I heard that, I told everyone, you are kidding yourselves. And I was telling everyone, you should be taking profits. And some folks got really mad at me, and that's okay. That's no problem. But now they're seeing that the all-time high at around $72.99, it's currently at around $22. Now, I want to emphasize that we're seeing the feds kick in the rates, and we're seeing tech companies. And any company with a high P ratio, well, guess what? They are going to get demolished. And as you know, AMC is a retail company, in my opinion, because they do consumer services. And to me, that's basically retail. And as you know, with all these viruses coming around, Omicron, Delta, COVID, etc., it's not to create FUD, but these viruses have an impact on folks going to AMC theaters. This is an archaic model. You're seeing every company in the world, Disney, Paramount, Netflix, Hulu. You have so many different on-demand streamings. Why would you go to a theater? For me, I personally have not been to a theater for about probably 10 years, and I have no desire to do so, especially during this moment in time we currently live in. So I do want to say that if you are around $20.39, if we break down below there, then ladies and gentlemen, you're going to go back down to $14.76 as your first support line. And ladies and gentlemen, we can currently see the RSI indicators. Everything is moving down. The moving averages are moving down. People are selling the positions, and we are currently seeing a hill formation. And when you see a hill formation, that is not a bullish sign. Okay, folks, the reason why I want to cover AMC today is because I believe the investors in AMC can do much better if they invest into EverGrow Coin. This is not financial advice. This is just what I would be and am doing, because AMC is, in my opinion, too little, too late. The only question you have to ask yourself is who goes to movie theaters? Now we're seeing AMC saying, okay, they are going to accept Dogecoin and they are trying to move forward. And the stickler here is that when AMC went to the moon, guess what they did to their shareholders? They were diluting the shares, as in they were issuing out more shares, and they were profiting from the stockholders who invested in the company, even if it's short term. So that's what the AMC CEO did. They raised billions and billions of dollars so they can stay afloat even through these tumultuous times. But the impact is that your investment is, guess what, getting sunk. And then for your return effort for letting them issue out tons of stocks at their expense, well, AMC said, if you are an AMC stockholder, show proof of that and we will give you a free ticket. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, this is called literally pennies for dollars. AMC takes dollars and they give you pennies. So AMC is giving you these free movie tickets because you're an AMC holder, but you forget that they made tons of money from issuing stock. And then if they give this to you as a quote unquote gift, I suspect this will also be a tax write-off for them. So at the end of the day, it sounds like a great deal on paper, but in reality, you're getting shortchanged if you are an AMC investor. Okay, folks, now I want to cover GME, GameStop here. Check it out. So we're looking at it from a daily perspective, and we are breaking down below the 146.90 support line. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a good thing. First of all, it's a long-term support and it's finally getting cracked down, and I'm seeing a hill form now. Now, if I zoom in for you guys, we're seeing accelerated volume as well. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a good thing. Okay, we're seeing $12.13 million being sold down. So we're seeing volume confirmation to the downside. On January 7th, we saw it go up and above the support line, but immediately thereafter it was sold off, and we're now seeing the RSI indicators pull back. We're seeing volume confirmation to the downside. And ladies and gentlemen, the moving averages are also coming down. This means momentum is decreasing for GameStop. Now we're seeing GameStop offering an NFT marketplace, but it's been touted for the better half of last year. And now they're starting to get to work on it. And in my opinion, there are tons of NFT marketplaces. I cannot see GameStop competing with OpenSea. I cannot see GameStop NFT marketplace superseding OpenSea because they have the first mover advantage, and they've been in place and they have huge followings. So to me, this is GameStop literally trying to grasp and trying to reinvigorate and move the business model into something more profitable. Now, of course, this could happen, but we are also seeing Radio Shack. And guess what? Radio Shack is another bankrupt company, and GameStop was at one point very bankrupt. And at the same token, they issued plenty of stock as well when they went to the moon. So at least AMC gave you some free tickets. What did GME give you? So I want to cover EverGrow Coin, and now we're seeing the search increase to 57. The previous day, it was around 50, I believe. So now we're increasing. This is fantastic. This means people are searching for EverGrow Coin. We now have 126,920 hodlers. We've increased by 2,000 in the past day or two. Check out the EverGrow Coin chart from a daily perspective here. You can see that we're consolidating above the 1186 support line, and we're hitting the resistance of 1387. I drew this for you guys many days ago, and we are trading sideways into interim. And that's a-okay, folks. All we need to do is practice some patience and let it consolidate, because as you know, EverGrow Coin is increasing its market cap. So the more you increase it, well, guess what? It takes more money to move it up, and thereby you're gonna need more consolidation time. So what are we seeing, folks? On the charts, we are trading sideways, we are holding our own, and we are trading in a channel. That's fantastic. Do not forget, folks, we are literally over 100% from a week or two ago. We went up to about 200%, and then we pulled back some, and now we are at the 100% plus mark. And ladies and gentlemen, that's a-okay with me because we're still seeing great gains. Now we see Creator coming soon. And what is Creator? Well, Creator is going to be your OnlyFans, Patreon, YouTube alternative. But the kicker here is that it is a first of its kind where you can buy, guess what? These services and pay with cryptocurrency integrated into this platform. And most importantly, for the folks in AMC and GME, currently we are in beta testing, and this product will be released to, guess what? More individuals to beta test, and soon thereafter, there will be 10 major influencers will have an increase and influx of EGC buyers because of the following these social media influencers carry. Now, when this happens, folks, we're gonna see EverGrow Coin spike. We're already seeing the rumblings in the Google search trends. It's over 57, and that's more than half because 100 is the max. So we're seeing people search for it right now, and they're Googling it, they're going YouTube, and they may find my video, and they go, oh, okay, what is this? Well, essentially, this is a hyper-deflationary token. You get 8% in BUSD, which is a stable token. And most importantly, you have Sam, the CEO of EverGrow Coin. This man is a financially sound man. He's very successful in his endeavors, and to date, he hasn't failed. So why would he fail now? Even though EverGrow Coin is only about 3 to 4 months old now, we're still trading very well. While we see Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market tumble, EverGrow Coin is still rising on its own because they are doing one thing and one thing only. They are creating utility for the users, and they are actually delivering and implementing it at a furiously fast pace. And the most important thing here is that if you're a new investor, you GME and AMC apes, Sam and the EverGrow Coin team only get paid through the reward system. So what that means is that if you do not get your BUSD, then guess what? They do not get their BUSD, because the way they get paid is the way we get paid. So this is a first of its kind, folks. And of course, make sure you guys go ahead and go to EverGrow Coin and check out the white paper and do your own research, because once you do, you will realize, oh my God, this is going to be the next gem of 2022. Get $250 in Bitcoin using my BlockFi link down below in the description. Get 2 free stocks courtesy of WEBULL. Get $25 in Quirl, Crypto.com. Referral codes and links down below in the description. Leave the keyword apes, because I want to know who are the real ones. And of course, and most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.